right, welcome all of you beautiful breathing people to another guided breathwork session. In today's journey, we're going to be doing 3 rounds of power breathing. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out the mouth at 2 different speeds. We'll hold our breath after each round, so find your way to a comfortable seated position or lying. And we'll begin with round number 1. 3, 2, 1. Fully in. Let it go. Beautiful. And we'll finish the round with double speed. In, out, in, out. Smile on your face, squeeze your body, send this energy up. Relax and exhale with a sigh. Fully relaxing your body, finding some stillness after the activation. Be here now. Alright, inhale through the nose, hold and squeeze. And exhale with the sigh. Yeah. Round number 2. In 3, 2, 1. Last one, double speed. Yeah, invite in some positivity, invite in some good energy. Last breath, about 80% full and whole. Relax your face muscles, relax your jaw, shoulders, and just be in this inhale whole. Exhale with a sigh. All right, final round in 3, 2, 1. Relax and exhale with a sigh. Holding your breath at the bottom. Feeling the stillness. Relax your belly. Relax your shoulders. And just be. Inhale fully in through the nose as you hold your breath at the top. And now exhale with a sigh. Beautiful work, everyone. Feeling into this boost of energy, yet still calm and collected. So enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy this energy. Always coming back to the breath when you need a little boost. Much love to all of you. Remember to breathe and remember to laugh. Peace.